Samtang karon mga kapuso, mahinabi na ni Cecil si Kapuso actress Jasmine Curtis Smith.
Mas mabuloko ng atong kabuntagon mga kapuso kay makauban nato ang usa sa mga maanyag nga actress dinhi sa Kapuso Network, Miss Jasmine Curtis Smith. Mayong buntag Jasmine and welcome dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Maayong buntag sa inyong lahat. I hope you're all doing well and thank you for having me dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
We're grateful talaga to have you this morning, Jazz. Kumusta ka na? How was your quarantine?
I've been doing well. Quarantine life was slow nung una, pero nag-pick up naman siya eventually. We're back to work na. And nagkaroon naman ako ng opportunity para mag-focus on my music business during the quarantine. So, it's been productive kahit papaano.
Mahirap ba, Jazz, to be away from your family ngayon na may lockdown, may pandemic? How do you stay connected with them as well?
I think for me, nung una, sobra kong nadibdib yun. Medyo malungkot ako nung una kasi layo-layo ko sa kanilang lahat. But at the end of the day, nasa sitwasyon tayo na kailangan natin isipin ang health at safety ng ating mga mahal din sa buhay.
Back to taping ka na, and you have a new weekly series, ang Love on the Balcony episode for the I Can See You series. How was it portraying the role of a nurse? Kumusta in pag-portray mo nito, isang frontliner? How was it?
For me, eye-opening, yes, but more of parang sa heart, yung heart mo yung nabuksan ng, wow, there's more to it than commitment. It's a sacrifice in these times to become a health worker, a frontliner, kasi mahirap talaga yung challenges na hinaharap nila. It's an honor to play a health worker, especially sa panahon ngayon.
Totoo yan. And when this was offered to you, itong role as a nurse for the Love on the Balcony episode, what made you decide to take this role?
For me, as soon as the opportunity came about, it was a no-brainer and ano din kasi, maganda rin na makilala yung utak ng isang frontliner. And bilang mga aktor, ito yung opportunity namin para maaral yon, makilala, maintindihan ng utak ng isang frontliner. So, yun, I channeled mostly yung mga tita at tito ko at kung paano ay yung puso nila sa dedikasyon sa trabaho.
And just talking about Gio, the character Gio, si Alden Richards, yung leading man mo dito. And you've worked with him prior pa, di ba, sa movie na Imagine You and Me and some events as well. How is Alden as a leading man, Jazz?
You know, he's a very talented actor and I think he really works hard at his craft and napaka-thankful ko that we finally get to work together again and first time na yun nga kami ang magkatambal. But I felt like there was so much good energy working together. Parang pareho kami ng working ethics in terms of paano namin tinitingnan ng isang eksena or ano yung gusto namin ma-achieve sa isang eksena. So I feel like yun yung nagpagaan sa trabaho namin together and it was just easy. It was really easy to work with Alden.
And Jazz, through this episode, aside from the love story, what message do you wish to impart sa lahat ng manonood ng I Can See You Love on the Balcony?
In these uncertain seasons na nangyayari sa atin ngayon, you have to make sure na kung meron ka mang kailangan either patawarin, kausapin, plansyahin at ayusin, gawin mo na. Kasi sa totoo lang, the only thing that can make this world better is if we are all communicating better and if we are all able to be happy together.
And before we end the interview, ano yung mensahe mo para sa lahat ng mga viewers natin dito sa Cebu at sa buong Visayas?
I hope you guys are staying safe in your own homes. If lumalabas na kayo for work, please take all the safety precautions. At maraming salamat dahil andito pa rin kayo supporting GMA Regional TV Live and GMA in general. Salamat. I hope you guys enjoy the show and most of all, have a blessed day to all of you.
And have a blessed day then, Jazz. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you. Have a good morning.
Full of love and full of lessons usab ang Mensahe sa Love on the Balcony episode sa I Can See You series Busa at Tangikinin ninyo mga kapuso.